So today actually we are going back to a first subtopic. As you can see from our syllabus, our what we call this khusus. So previously we have go through the linear programming because we want to let you have more time on your task 2, your coursework. So we already go through the subtopic of linear programming. So we have 12 hours for second topic, and then now we go back to the first subtopic, linear equations, until linear inequalities for this week. Okay, for this week. So basically this is a easy topic lah. It's just a revision, some revision for your, maybe you have learned this from your school. I think you have learned this from your school. Just a recall, just a recall for some of the topic. Okay, can we start?
Yeah, doctor.
So we all know simultaneous equations, right? So to solve simultaneous equations, we have a few methods. One of the method is what? By by what?
Elimination.
By what?
Elimination.
Yes, by elimination, by substitution, by equating the coefficient, and so on. So we start with a simultaneous linear equations. See, simultaneous linear equations. We straight away start with example. Say we have 5x plus 2y equals to 14, 3x minus 4y. So if we want to use substitution, we look for one variable, either x or y. So this is the by substitution. By substitution, so we can say 5x plus 2y equals to 14. At the same time, you can try 2y equals to 14 minus 5x. So y equals to 7 minus 5x over 2. And then we substitute the y into the second equations. So 3x minus 4y equals to 24. 3x minus so what is x? What is x here? So 50, right? Correct? Betul kan? And then we substitute. Okay kan?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, then we substitute 5, 4 plus 2y equals to 14. So 2y equals to minus 3. So that's it lah. This is the, so we know x is equals to 4, y equals to -3. Okay, I think these questions you shouldn't have any problem lah. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can always ask because I have to. Okay, three variables. Let's say we have a three variables. 3x plus 2y minus z equals to 19. 4x minus y plus 2z equals to 4. 2x plus 4y minus 5z equals to. Okay, try to solve this. Thirty-two, the last one. I think the screen is a little bit slow because of maybe of the line. So you can use the first equations to eliminate this variable, one of the variable, and eliminate one of the variable from here. Okay, to eliminate the first one, we can times. To eliminate the first one, what can we do? To eliminate this one, what we can do? Times 2 lah. So we are eliminating the z variable. So to eliminate this, we can times multiple. Hello.
2.
2. I use 5 lah because I'm eliminating the third variable. So times 5. Okay, times 5. Okay, so let's see. But you can try, you can try. Okay, let's say first equations. So this is the first equations lah. First equations times 2 becomes 6x plus 4y minus 2z equals to 38. And then we have a second equations, 4x minus y plus 2z equals to 4. So this is plus 10x plus 3y equals to 42. And then the other side, let's say we have a first equations times 5. So become 15x plus 10y minus 5z equals to 95. Okay. Then the third equations, 2x plus 4y minus 5z equals to, so this one minus, so we have to use minus. So 13x plus 6y equals to 63. Okay, and then we combine these new equations lah, 4 and 5. So this is fourth equations. This is the fifth equations. Okay then.
Yes, okay.
Again, we use elimination. Let's say the fourth one we multiply by 2. So this becomes 20x plus 6y equals to 84. Okay, and then the fifth one, so we take this one minus this one, we have 7x equals to how many? 21. So x equals to x equals to
3.
3. So after you have x equals to 3, you substitute into either fourth or fifth equations lah. Fourth or fifth equations. Okay, let's say substitute into the fourth one. So we have um, so y is equals to what? 4 1.
4.
Okay, so we substitute into the first equations. We have 3. So z equals to what?
Negative
Negative
4.
2.
Negative values. Eh? 0. Oh, sorry. This is add kan?
Yes.
So this is equals to, because I'm running out of the space, so actually I will write the answer lah. Is negative 2. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Okay, next we come to the linear inequalities. So for linear inequalities, we have, remember we have learned this before, but this time we are going to learn something like compound, what we call this is compound inequalities. Compound inequalities. Okay, okay, the first example. Example one, let's say we have a intersection. So the question is solve x plus 2 n. So when you see the word n means intersection. So how to solve this? This is simple and straightforward lah kan. X plus 2 larger than 3. So x is bigger than 1. Here, x minus 6 smaller than 7. So x is smaller than 13. Okay,
Yes.
so we draw this on a number line. Remember the number line? So if you want to write this in interval, what is this? This is uh, this is what? How to write this? How to write this in the interval form? This is negative infinity and 13 kan? This one 1 and infinity. So the line will go from 1 to this side. So another one is from 13, maybe somewhere here lah, 13. So this is going this side. Okay, so where is the answer? So what is the answer? What is the final answer? Now remember we want to put it in a range. So x, given that x is um, X is between what?
1 and 13.
Yes, X is between 1 and 13. Okay, so this is the answer lah. I look for the ruler. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is intersection. Okay, this is intersection. Okay, another example. Can we move on?
Yes, doctor.
Any questions? Any questions? If you have any questions, you please ask. Okay, union. So union is actually atau kan, or let's say uh, 5x 5 minus 7x larger or equals to 12. Or, so this is union. 3x minus 2 smaller than 7. Okay, try. So we want to move until we have a variable x kan. So 5 minus 7x minus 5. So 12 also minus 5, right? So we have negative 7x. So here is 7. Okay? Dapat? So now we want to divide negative 7. And so when we divide negative 7, we must do what? We must change the
Change the symbol.
sign. Okay, the sign. So don't forget to reverse the sign. So this become smaller or equals to negative 7. So on this side, same
Doctor,
thing.
-1, right?
-1.
Yeah, negative 1. 3x minus 2. So we want to eliminate the 2. Okay, so becomes 3x smaller than 9. Smaller. Then this is straightforward. X is smaller than 3. Okay, so now we have x, given that x is smaller than negative 1. Okay, and then union x, given that x is smaller than 3. So what did this become? Smaller than 3. Okay, smaller than 3. So we have a smaller than 3. And then we have a smaller than negative 1. So we could say the answer is, what is the answer? What is the final answer?
X is less than 3.
Yes, the final answer is, what is the interval? Negative, infinity, and and what?
3.
3, huh? So this is the final answer. Okay, negative, infinity, and 3. Okay, you try one example. Okay, you try, huh? Uh, let's say x. Oh, this is simple and straightforward, lah. Okay, try. Smaller than negative 3, yeah. Okay, smaller than negative 3. So we have, the first one is like this, right? And then we have x is larger than 3. So again, this is, okay. So we know the first one, huh? The first one is, and the second one is, okay. Then we combine both. So this has to become, how is the graph? So the graph only like this, like when we combine them.
Yes.
So it's only, Okay, can we move on?
Yes.
Okay, let's say we have a between between -2. Okay, try. Okay, we want to turn the middle variable into a single x. So what is the first step? -2 plus, nobody want to respond, plus 3, right? So this side also plus 3. So this has to become 1 and 2x and smaller than 10. Okay,
Yes.
what is the next step? Divide by 2. So this has to become half x and 5. Okay, so we plot this on the graph. Sorry, number line. Hey, what am I doing? Not this. This one. So 0.5 is somewhere here. Larger. So larger means what? So because this is wait and 5, right? If
Yes.
we put it in the interval form and 5, so it's in between this part lah.
Yes.
Okay kan? Okay.
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 Okay, next questions. Sorry, today a bit rushing. Try the another one. -1, 3 minus 2x smaller than 9. Okay, try. So same thing. First step, we have to make the variable become only x, right? So the first step, -1, minus,
3
1,
both side.
minus 3 ya. Yang lain okay gak?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So 3 minus 2x minus 3, 9 minus 3. So this is -4 minus 2x minus smaller than 6. And then we have a -2x. So divide by -2.
Yes.
Again, when we divide by -2, we must
Change sign.
change the sign. So this one become divide by -2, so I don't need to write. So this is 2, we change the sign, this one x, this one by -2 become -3. So this is -3 and 2. So we rewrite x is what? -3. Then we put into a number line. -3 and 2. Okay kan?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you try this one. -2x minus 5 or okay, you try. So how to do this? We go for the first one, kan? So negative this side we have um, so what do we have here? right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you draw on the number line. Lah. I think you have no problem. Lah. Should be -7, -1.5. Smaller. So or we can write in this form. Or is union then?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, salah pula ini. Okay,